Hey, good evening everyone. So tonight I'm gonna look at this Zoom H5. In particular, trying to troubleshoot some issues. One thing I noticed with this Zoom H5 is that this little tripod mount here does not stick to any attachment you put on it very well. So let me show you what I mean. So I have here just a attachment that I use a lot, and I screw it on as tight as I can, but it will give you a little bit of it will come loose very quickly, and after some investigation, troubleshooting, what I noticed is that this little knob here sticks out a little bit above the unit. So when you have any attachment that you screws onto it, only a small amount is touching the pad, meaning that it doesn't give enough friction to hold the unit in place. So depending on your application, it may present a problem. So I propose to solve this by adding some padding on it. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm only trying. A little dot felt pad that you can buy from craft stores. So just cut it down a little bit to size. Also accounting for the circular hole right here. Let's give it a little cut. And put this right around this tripod mount right here. Now you want to avoid covering up this hole entirely, but I think if you partially cover it, it's no big deal. So let's let me just put this on as nicely as possible. Alright, so I think for the first try, this is as best as I could. Alright, now let's put this on again, see if it slips like the way it used to be. Alright, so I think it's improved a little bit, but you know, don't bump into it too hard. And when you're recording audio, you should try your best not to bump into stuff. So this little pad here definitely improves the friction between the unit and the rubber pad down here. So I think this is a quick hack that will solve the problem. If anyone look at this, hope this helps. And for more DIY tech tips, subscribe, and thank you for watching.